It's a dude doing a piss. So we're approaching Burton Road again. Hopefully this camera can handle 1080 a little bit better than the 4K. Yeah, there just seem to be a few artifacts with the 4K. And with the 60 frames per second, hopefully. Alright. There'll be less blurriness, of course, but let's go this way. In saying that, I believe you need more light to keep up with the frame rate. Anyway, we shall see when I get home. And if it looks to search for hours for royalty-free music, I'll just leave me dribbling and the nature and the wind for your environment. So yeah, it's quite sad that bicycles ain't too popular. In a way, they actually become a little bit taboo. A lot of arguments happening amongst people who, you know, drive cars and people who share the road, basically. You've got cyclists at distance. They get in the way. You know, they've got to keep 1.5 meters distance as they overtake them, etc. I can see where they come. Ultimately, cycling, you know, it keeps people healthy. You know, we have an obesity epidemic worldwide, Western world. Sitting there playing TV and games, etc. all day long. Yeah, now experience the world so much differently. That could be said with motorbike as well, you know. But yeah, you're not things of that sort. It's just pure fat power. Burn that fat. Yeah, guys, feel free to ask questions, requests, gives me tips, etc. Like I said, I'm totally new to this. I did buy the camera years ago. I initially wanted to stick it on my motorbike when I travelled through the Victorian high country, and I wanted to climb Mount Kosciuszko, etc. You know. But what happened was that we had the bushfires a few years back, and that sort of ruined my plans of taking full leave and yeah, visiting my regions on my motorbike. And then all of a sudden, what happened next? COVID came along. But anyhow, at the moment I'm in between work, so our plans are just to keep myself occupied, maybe look at different ways of creating income streams, you know. It's a great learning experience either way, but oh geez, sure, maybe I should have went that way. Yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, the thing is, I've got a lot of interests. I don't know what this channel's main content should be about. I mean, obviously I like showcasing my local neighbourhood, for instance, you know. A lot of people want to come to Australia, for instance, you know. So why not showcase where I live? I have other interests as well. I collect a lot of treasure type stuff. I like going to the local Salvation Army stores and looking for old things from the 70s, 80s, you know, anything really. Burton Road again. This is pretty much where I'm going to finish the video, I think. Because yeah, yesterday I rode in the opposite direction of where I'm riding today, so yeah, eventually I shall probably go even further and take the track all the way up to Port Adelaide one day, maybe to Gawler in the other direction, opposite direction. But anyway, for now I shall leave it at that. To save and help with editing, I think I'll just switch it off now.